If we pull up our CoachMePlus system right here, we can go straight into our reports section, so we can check out exactly what we have. If we go to the measurement history advanced report, we can see our fatigue science data all right in here. So all you have to do is go in, select the date range you'd like, maybe for example just the past week, select our athlete, and then maybe hours of sleep, average effectiveness, and wake episodes. If we pull that right up, we can see it right in our reporting system here, in which we know we have data for everything that we have. It's all right in there, so now we can go in and create our visuals based off of that. To do that, we're going to go to Settings, Visualizations, Dashboard Layouts. So we're going to create the layout first, we're going to assign it to our groups, and then we're going to build out our dashboards. So when we create that layout, we're going to go to Create New Layout. We're going to call it Fatigue Monitoring and hit Create. So this is going to be on our individual basis. So we've successfully created our dashboard layout. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to assign that dashboard layout right to our Stallions group that we normally have. So we have our Stallions group. We have it all right in here, and then we're going to add that right onto the end here. When we do that, we successfully added our layout to our individual athletes. Inside of Build Visualization, this is where we can create those dashboards. The first dashboard we're going to create is a mixed history dashboard, taking our RPE ratings versus our hours of sleep and wake episodes coming from fatigue science. So when we select that, we can create our first dashboard. So training load versus hours of sleep and wake episodes. So this is critical in creating visuals that tie in multiple different sources of information all in one graph. So like I mentioned, latest mixed history dashboard, latest number of values, 14, that's fine. And then we're going to add our chart plots. So the first one is always going to be the one in the back. So we're going to add our RPE, how hard was today's session. So we're going to add that right as a column. We're going to leave all of these alone. We don't want anything like that, any averages or stuff like that. And then we're going to add another type of chart plot here, in which it's a line of hours of sleep and also wake episodes. So when you do that, we're going to keep that as a line, hit save, and we're good to go. All we need to do is add that to our dashboard layout, and then we can see it right inside of the visual set. Add it fatigue monitoring, add in our first dashboard, make that half width, select the add button, and hit save. Once we do that, if we go into Athlete Central here, we will see that exact visual with the data that we already have inside of the system. Go to fatigue monitoring, and we are good to go. So of course you can see that on the individual basis. So that's successfully created training load versus hours of sleep and also wake episodes.